Live Career Launch Challenge Cal State LA Career Center ready to play?
Hello Golden Eagles, my name is Andres Sandoval. I'm one of your career advisors for Cal State LA Career Center. And I am here to introduce you to the Career Launch Challenge. It is a great way for you to build your career skills and connections while you're here at Cal State LA. So, what is the Career Launch Challenge?
Career Launch is a program designed to engage you in both in-person and online activities that will enhance your career exploration, readiness skills, and help you build valuable connections. So how do you complete the challenge? It's simple. First, scan the QR code or click on the link in the caption to register for the course on Canvas. Then complete at least 6 out of 8 activity modules. Once you completed the minimum, you'll sign up for Recognition Week through Canvas to celebrate your achievements. What kinds of experiences count towards the challenge? Great question. You can count a wide range of experiences both in and outside of the classroom. This includes projects, assignments, collaborations, research, and employment, whether it's an internship, part-time, full-time job, or volunteer work. You can also include on-campus involvement through events and services provided by Cal State LA's departments and organizations.
Now that you know what the Career Launch Challenge is all about, let's go ahead and start preparing and build your career skills here at Cal State LA. Let's get started.
Go ahead and scan the QR code or click the link in the caption to get started today.
See you at the finish line. Cal State LA Career Center.